So today I thought I'll show you a little tool that I use on a regular basis. I might be out and about. I've been doing a bit of photography or video using either a camera or I've taken my drone out. And what I can do is obviously you can't see what you've recorded on your drone because on this case I record to a little SD card, a micro SD card. It's such a small little card. So one thing I use is the camera connection kit for my iPhone. It's just a wee dongle that I use that allows me to plug in a USB drive. It can either be an SSD or it can be a thumb drive. It also allows me to plug up to a TV or a monitor. And then it also allows me to plug in a SD card or micro SD in the case of my drone. Such a handy thing because I can be out and about. I like what I shot and I want to put it on the internet. I mean, the beauty about it is you can bring files from your SD card to your phone, and then you can do minor tweaks. You can edit. You can put it into a video editor and make a video on the fly with your device. So I'm just going to show you how I work with footage from my drone. So what I do is I open up the Files app, and what that allows me to do is I can navigate to the SD card, DCIM 100 media I go into, and there's all the videos from my drone. And if I wanted to copy that, I could. But in this case, I thought, yeah, let's have a wee view and see what this one's like. So I can play, and I can pause. I can start from the beginning again. I can switch to a different part of the video if I wanted to. As you can see, it works pretty well. And then there you go. See? So as you can see, it's pretty useful. Then I can go in and I can go into the photos that I've taken from the drone. So I've just opened up the file here of the drone. So it works pretty sweet, doesn't it? I mean, I can just see what I've captured. So what the camera connection kit allows me to do is to transfer files from my iPhone to something as small as this. It's kind of amazing. This is 128 gigs of storage, and my iPhone, it has 128 gigs of storage. And what this will allow me to do is I can transfer photos and video onto something as small as this. And let's say if I'm away on holiday, or if I'm on a day shooting somewhere, it'll allow me to transfer the files to something like this, or I can transfer it to something else. As you can see, we have the USB, which I could put it to a thumb drive, or I could put it to an SSD drive. So the way I do this is, the way it works is I'll go into the Photos app on the iPhone, and I'm going to click on Select at the top. And then I'm going to select the photos that I would like to, or video that I would like to have. And then I would press on the share button in the bottom left. Then I'll go down and I'm going to save to files. I'm just going to go into my SD card and just call them titled. I'm going to create a new folder. We're going to call that Photos and Vids from Phone. You can call it whatever you want, but then all I would do is I would click Save, and then the files will be there. So whatever is on your iPhone let's say you're having a problem with your storage. I mean, this is going to be amazing if you're needing to get more storage, or you want a backup of your photos or videos whenever you're out and about. Anyways, that's my thought for today, and hope you have a good one. Take it easy.